Good morning, students. Welcome to the English language class. Today we are going to discuss phrasal verbs from call to come. First word is call. Call for, require. The explosive situation calls for an immediate action. Call for means demand. The manager called for an explanation for the peon's misconduct, demanded for an explanation. Call in is summon. Call in a doctor. She is seriously ill. That means you should call a doctor as she requires medical help. Call off means cancel. The meeting was called off at the 11th hour. Call on. Go to visit. The Prime Minister called on the President. Went to meet the President. Call up means to telephone. Call me up tomorrow morning if the matter is urgent. That means talk on the telephone. Call up also means summon. The soldiers were called up during the war. Carry away, to get very excited. The public was carried away by his speech. They got excited by his speech. Carry off, win. She carried off the first prize. She won the first prize. Carry on means continue. He carried on the business after his father's death. Carry out, execute. He carried out the wishes of his parents. The officer has carried out his assignment. Carry over, postpone. The meeting was carried over to the 19th, postponed to the 19th. Come about, happen. How did the incident come about? Come across, find by chance. I came across my purse in the kitchen. Come round means recover. The patient is coming round, is recovering. Coming round also means to change one's mood or opinion. The principal is coming round to the views of the teacher. Come in means arrive. When does the train come in? Come in also means to become involved in something. If you want to come in on the deal, you need to decide now. Come into, inherit. My friend came into his father's property. Come off, be a result of. His success comes off his hard work. Come off, OFF, take place. The ceremony did not come off, did not take place. Come to be a question of, about. When it comes to giving time to others, he shies off, he moves off. Come to, amount to. Office expenses come to rupees 500 per day. Come up means arise. Many problems come up during the meeting. Come up to, be equal to. He will come up to the expectation of his teacher. Come upon, discover or find unexpectedly or on. He came upon the hidden treasure in an abandoned cave. That means he discovered it or find it unexpectedly. Now the assignment 1 is there. Fill in the blanks with an appropriate word or phrase. The doctor was called in when the girls became unconscious. That means the doctor was called. Summoned. The match was called off because of rain. Match was cancelled or postponed because of rain. The account was carried on to the next page. The girl was carried away. Carried away means she was carried away by the charming. She was enchanted by the charming behavior. We will call on them evening to fix the date. Call on, that means you are going to summon them. I wanted to hear my mother's voice, so I called her up, telephoned her. Assignment 2. Fill in the blanks with the appropriate word or phrases. Our expenses came to 3000 rupees accounted. She came into her father's house. How has this problem come up? Arise. They will never come round, they will never change to our views. Your project work does not come up to the standard. That means you require a lot of hard work to come up to the standard. His wealth comes off his hard work. That because of hard work he has earned a lot of wealth. I came across my friend in the market. You met her by chance. Your homework assignment is write and learn phrasal verbs on page 34 and 35. Do assignment 1 and 2 in fair language registers and attempt comprehension specimen paper number 2, page 40, question 4A and C. I hope phrasal verbs are clear to you, and do this homework in your language registers. Thank you and have a nice day.